love. Because about love, human can do it a lot, can do it impossible sometimes. For me, it's my life, it's my dream, because a little girl, I dreaming about this life. I dream about many travel, about looking other country, and now I live in my dreams. I'm Victoria. Um, I'm from Ukraine, and I'm artist of cirque. Half the time I work here in Finland, and half the time I come back to home in Ukraine. Circus is my second home. My husband, when we meet with my husband, he said what don't want, what I come anywhere alone, and say no, only with me. I say okay, but we must do in compromise, or I finish work, or him, he come to circus, and he supported my mind, my life. Now we working together and work number of love, of our love. Sometimes yes, love can be hard. Circus, it's celebration. It's smile of people, love of people. It's happy children. It's mysterious worlds where mix risk and beauty, where mix easy and hard. In my husband, I love eyes, I love smile, I love heart, I love how him love me. I love what with him I with him I'm real. In future, I dreams open circus, my circus studio, and teacher children. I want to have a daughter. If it be true, I want to what she the same work in our program. But dream should come true, and I think it's be true. I every time afraid to have injury, because I understand if it's be, I cannot work, and work for me it's all, everything. I would say my phobia. I am every time saying no. I am not afraid. I am doing it, and I comment for my dream. I am flying. I am birds. I'm birds. we are fly. We are free. Free and only we.
Sitten ostetaan ihan